Hello, good morning. Happy first day of the vlog. Happy Sunday. For some time reference, today is Father's Day. I am headed to Publix. We're out of coffee and I want some coffee. So coffee, I need sunblock and I need some drinks for today. My sister and her family, oh my gosh, it's fogging up because it's so humid out here. My sister and her family are coming over to the pool today. So I thought that I would take you with me, Publix, and then we'll organize the outdoor area for everyone. Here's a look at my outfit, by the way. Well, you can't really see it. This top is like a gauzy pink and white striped top from Lane Bryant. These are the Walmart shorts that I just hauled them. They're so cute. And then I just have on these. They're Sonoma brand from Kohl's, though I can't find them online anymore. And I did the one side tuck. That's the look. The look will probably change once I like put a swimsuit on, but these shorts for $12.98, I am very happy. Let's see if we beat the crowd. It's only 8:26, 27. It is, like I mentioned, it is Father's Day. So my goal was, number one, beat the crowds, but also it's early and I like to drink my coffee early and I want to enjoy it before I go outside and get hot. Oh, now you're crooked. Also though, Candice said yesterday that she wasn't so sure about the pool thing anymore because there was a 50% chance of rain. I want to say, girl, don't you know it rains every day here? So you pick if you want to come earlier and get in the pool or later and get in the pool. It's usually every day in the summertime, like 2, 3 o'clock, it will rain. To be fair though, it is a little bit cloudy and ahead of me right now. Okay, we're pulling in. I can't see yet. I can't see the parking lot yet. Oh, I think it's busy. Okay, maybe not, maybe not. Oh, okay, I think we're good. There, can you see that? Yeah, it's not busy whatsoever. Usually all these spots are full. I probably should have made a list, to be honest, even though it's only 5 things. Let's hope I don't forget anything. I did get toilet paper and paper towels yesterday, so we're solid on that. Oh, it's cold in here. Let's grab a couple of these waters that I like. I think we'll do 2. I think I have 2 at home. All right, Coke. Candice, I asked her what they wanted. She said, just anything diet. I know they like Dr. Pepper. Ooh, 0 sugar, strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. What does that say? Creamy coconut Dr. Pepper, cherry, 0 sugar cherry. I'm not a big Dr. Pepper person, but I could be. Do we chance it and get the strawberries and cream, or they have the cream soda 0 sugar? Or do we just get regular diet Dr. Pepper? What do we do here? I texted her to see what she wanted. So in the meantime, we'll get the few other things. I know they like Coke Zero, so let's do a mini Coke Zero. I'm pretty sure we have a few of the mini Sprites, the diet Sprites at home. Coffee, I actually bought this the other day. Well, it's been like a week and accidentally left it at the store and I just chalked it up to a loss and I should have come back for it. Let's do 2. I am out of this. $3 off Sunbum. This is what I need, like something, well, 70, maybe we'll do the 50. I wonder what the price difference is. Oh, they're the same price, I think. We're gonna go with 50, and it comes with a little lip balm. Wait, Neutrogena is $3 off too, and it's cheaper. Sorry, Sunbum. We might go for this one, the 50 water and sun protection. I read somewhere one time that said anything above like 30 is all the same. Is that true? I found one with a $3 off little coupon on it. So we're grabbing this one. Fun fact, I'm allergic to regular sunblock on my face, but on my body it's fine. That's why I have to use the mineral sunblock on my face, and I have plenty of that at home. I think I'm gonna try this one too. This Alba Botanica brand, it says while wet, apply to wet or dry skin, and it is $8.99. I'm gonna get both because my nieces like to swim and they always say, can I get in? You know, like after they've been sprayed. So at least with this, they can spray and get right in. We're back. Candice says they like them all. So I think I'm gonna do the 0 sugar strawberry, and then maybe I'll just let them take all this home because I'm not a Dr. Pepper fan. I think this will be fine. Yeah, all these options, it's literally 6 of us, 5 of us actually, for like 3 hours. So I think we're fine. Last thing, a couple of these. They're really good. I'll eat one this morning for breakfast. We'll have one for tomorrow. Oh no, y'all. I was just about to come out here. Like we need to clean up, straighten up, and it is storming. We also have a bird nest up here. Every time the bird flies away, I guess from being scared, it kind of kicks the nest back this way. So I've been, hold on. This like old solar light, I've just been pushing it a little bit. Oh, there we go. I don't want it to fall off. Our backup plan was a movie day, and that might be what is happening. Hello, happy Monday. It is late. It might be like 6:30 p.m. Father's Day, Candice and them did not come over. They live about an hour from me, and she left her house 10 minutes and it was pouring. So they just decided to turn around and do something else, which is fine. It rained like on and off here, like every hour. It was thunderstorms pouring. I'm cooking Candice's chicken and rice. I was gonna say famous chicken and rice recipe for supper tonight. It's famous in our family. And I'm pretty sure, actually I've shown it before, I'm pretty sure. But we're gonna cook that tonight for supper. Brian doesn't get off until the earliest would be 8. But I think it takes about an hour. I will ask her if I can share the recipe down below. My tripod is MIA, so you get like a handheld version of the recipe. Ingredients, cream of chicken. I got the cream of chicken with herbs. I thought that would be good. We have a cream of mushroom, rice. So her recipe makes a lot because she has a big family. We're gonna do some onion powder. I'm also gonna do garlic powder. This, maybe we'll do, do we do Italian? Her seasonings only say onion powder. But I feel like maybe we should do chicka-licka bam bam. Oh, that's gonna be spicy. Roasted garlic and herb might be pretty good. Let's do these 3. Salt and pepper as well. Actually, we do have a little bit of, oh my goodness, a little bit of rice. So we'll use the rest of this as well. And I need this rice cooker. It's a little bit early to start cooking, but this is the chicken that I bought, just bare, the breast fillets. This is my favorite kind of chicken to buy to cook. So I'm gonna marinate this in a little bit of olive oil, all my seasonings, and then that way at least it's ready to pop in the air fryer. All of my ingredients. I did wash and trim my chicken. Just because you didn't see it doesn't mean it didn't happen. I might need to put a little bit more olive oil in here just to kind of coat the chicken. Here's the recipe. If you'd like to screenshot it, I'll list it down below too. I didn't buy any Ritz crackers. Last time we did this, Brian didn't like that. It takes 45 minutes, I think she says, in the oven. So I think what I'm gonna do is wait until about 6:45, so like 15 minutes, and then we will assemble. Hi, welcome back. My oven is preheating back there. Let's put the chicken in the air fryer. Chicken, let's do 370 for about 12 minutes, and then we'll flip it. Rice in the rice cooker. There we go. Chicken's done, so now let's mix it all together. My rice was slightly, like still a little bit wet, so I'm hoping that the oven will dry it out a little bit. I also measured out, it looks like so much more, like look at it compared to my hand, 2 cups of rice. So it's 2 cups of rice and 2 chicken breasts, so that I know in my head, I can basically have half of this because I measured it out for like my little calorie counter thing. However, looking at it, that's a lot. So anyway, let's put it in the oven, 45 minutes at 350. And here's the finished product. Again, I'm not putting the Ritz crackers on, so I think it probably would have soaked up some of that butter, but it smells really good. Hello, good morning. Happy Wednesday. What time is it? I'm in reverse. It is 7:51. I am leaving the gym. I was supposed to actually meet Shelly at the wharf over in Orange Beach. They have a big pool out there. I've never been. She goes all the time with her kids. And I was gonna meet her over there today just for like a fun little pool day, but it's gonna be storming. Not just here, but there as well. And I'm sad about that because that was gonna be our day today. Was I was gonna run and get a coffee, fill up my gas tank, run to Walmart, because she was telling me about this float that she likes, the floats that they offer, don't get your body in the water as much as you would want, like this whole deal. I was gonna go get my float that she suggested, and then we were gonna ride over there. I was gonna wear a new swimsuit. I have a really cute swimsuit from Kohl's, but that's not happening. So I'm gonna text her. I don't even know if she's awake yet. I'm trying to avoid waking her up is basically what I'm saying, but hello. I guess I'll just work today instead. She does have my bag, so I left my bag of shoes, shapewear, and my tripod over at her studio when we shot those pictures for my modeling portfolio. So I guess I'll just ask her if I can swing by, because I don't know if her and her kids are still gonna go or not, but I don't want to ride all the way over there. It's like an hour and a half probably. Hour and a half, I would say. I don't want to ride all the way over there if it's just going to be raining. That was going to be the plan. It was going to be so much fun. I even checked the weather yesterday. No, that's a lie. That's a lie. I was watching a TikTok from a dermatologist that was like, she opened it with, you don't need to wear sunscreen every day. And like, that's how they get you with those hooks right off the beginning. And they know that too. So I was like, what? Because I follow her. She gives great skincare advice. Anyway. And I was like, wait a minute, what is she talking about? And basically she was saying if the UV index is under 3, you don't need to wear sunblock. So that's what I was looking at. So I didn't really look at the weather. So All right, let's get a coffee. I guess I'll get some gas and then we'll ride over to Shelly's. Can I do a large iced blondie, please, with no whipped cream and just 2 shots of espresso instead of 3? No change. Nope. Okay. Thank you. Yep. We got the goods, y'all. All right, so here's what I think I want to do. This gel manicure is not gel manicuring, okay? Remember I had this like sheer nude gel color. It lasted for almost, what, 3 weeks, a month or something crazy like that. And then I had the green, which also lasted like 3 weeks. So then I went back to the same nudish gel color. I think within like 3 or 4 days it had chipped. And now it's been like 2 weeks and I can't look at it any longer. So I think what I'm gonna do is run to the nail place. They open in 1 minute, but I'm like 10 minutes away, and just get the gel removed and just get a manicure, like on my natural nails, and not get anything else. Nothing. There's nothing on my nails whatsoever. It took a little bit of elbow grease for her to get all that gel off. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of a break. My nails just feel a little bit thin. I also have an entire tote, like a ton of like press-on nails and stuff. So I really do want to give them a try. Will I do that? It's yet to be seen. Also, she was a little bit rough, okay? But when it comes time to the massage, she's the one that you want, because the way she massaged like these forearm muscles, oh my gosh, it was so nice. I don't know why I just clapped just then. All right, I guess I'm gonna end this here because I had big plans to take you with me for a pool day, and that is not happening. I did want to say, you know, I told y'all a while back we were going to see Garth Brooks on July 6th, 4th of July weekend in Vegas. We cannot go. So I've been trying to get rid of these tickets for months at this point. Ticketmaster won't let me sell them like to someone else via Ticketmaster, but I can transfer them. So if you are interested and you want these tickets, let me know. I paid a pretty penny for them, okay? But I'm just trying to get a little bit of money back for them. So if you do want them, please let me know, because I'm trying to get rid of them. Otherwise, the seats are just gonna be open. Also, Brian and I posted an Ireland update yesterday. I think we're at 23 people going so far. So that means there's only 35 spots total. So we're limited in spots. I think there's only, in this moment, 5 VIP spots left, which VIP is the castle stay, the 3 nights in a 12th century castle. I say that every time I talk about it, but it's a 12th century castle, like an actual castle, not a replica, not a venue that they built to look like a castle for weddings. Like, it's an actual castle. And I'm so excited. So I'll leave all that information down below. Atomic Trips is doing a deal, which I talked about all this in that video if you watched it. They're doing $100 off for the next 5 people who book, though that maybe, I'm not sure how many people have booked since that video and since you're watching this. So anyway, it's all linked down below. If you want the Garth Brooks tickets, please let me know. July 6th, Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. I will put maybe a picture here of where the seats are. They're pretty close. And the way that it works, when you buy tickets, they give you like a view as if you're sitting in the seats, like to see where you are. So I'll put the picture here. But anyway, that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.